Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, front performance. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.